Hi, today we are looking at recording transactions in the accounting system, focusing on the journal, ledger, and the trial balance. The journal is a chronological record of transactions, the ledger is a collection of accounts and their balances, and the trial balance is a listing of accounts and their balances at a specific point in time. By now, we should know that the accounting equation is assets equals the addition of liabilities and equity. This always balances as each transaction must affect at least two accounts, as seen in the example. Seen here, the company receives $50,000 for shares. Cash is an asset and is rising and thus is debited. Contributed capital is a credit. Suppliers rise by $10,000 and they use cash. Cash is an asset which is falling, so we credit the $10,000. Number 2, purchased a printer, same as the previous example. Equipment is rising as an asset and cash is used to purchase it and is a credit of $5,000. Cash is received from work and thus is a debit, and service revenue is credited. Salary expense is debited as it is a liability that is increasing, and cash is used to pay it and thus is credited. Cash is received for the previous month and unearned revenue is credited as it falls. Advertising costs debited as they are rising and cash is used to purchase it and thus is credited. A loan, they receive cash of $7,000 is debited and notes payable is credit as a liability is increasing. Dividends paid is a debit as it is equity, and cash is credited $2,000. As seen here, we have the general journal. We have placed all of our previous transactions into the general journal. Post into the ledger account, we put our journal entries and put them into the appropriate T accounts. We there have our T ledger with all our information. Now, to create the trial balance, we use our T accounts and convert it to the trial balance simply by putting in the total into each specific account. Here is our final trial balance. As you can see, both debit and credit are $94,000 and balance. If you do not have a balance, you may have made a mistake, so go back and double check. Thank you for watching. I hope this has helped.